Okay, this is my dog, Snowball. And we'll go over here. Then you see my other dog. Hello.
Okay, 1, 2, okay, this. 3. So I need 3 raccoons accounted for.
Okay, store. Okay, no scratching. Say hi, Snowball. Okay. Hi, Carly.
Neville Peppermint, did you write a bad review of this girl's web show just because you were angry with her? Neville? Okay, yes, but only if she broke my facial tapenade. Because you kissed me in a surprise attack. You told me you thought girls were yucky. That was last year. Nothing changes. You just go to your room and write that.
Here he comes. Here he comes. Okay, get off. Say bye.